So you can see how huge these leaves are of the pothos plant, and I have put it on my parapet wall. So this is a golden pothos and it's in a planter, friends. This is the pot and I have given it a support, and this plant is growing really very healthily. These are some of my pothos plants: neon pothos, enjoy pothos, and there are some of the pothos plants. This is in my outdoor garden. This is golden pothos, and this is one of the best house plants which will condition the air quality, and this is one of the air purification plants. And this one plant, golden pothos, is a beginner friendly plant because you can simply grow this plant with or without fertilizer. No space for gardening. This is the best answer for you. So here I have propagated them in water in a glass jar. Really very easy to propagate from cuttings, and this is a beautiful looking green plant. The first and the most important thing to understand about pothos plants are these are shade loving plants. So you can simply grow them inside your home as an indoor plant, as a decorative plant. So these are beautiful decorative house plants, and you can just let them to grow in any DIY plant. Make sure to give some filtered sunlight for this plant because these plants doesn't like the bright direct sunlight. So once you bring it from a nursery, make sure you keep it in a location where it will get the partial to medium sunlight. No bright direct sunlight. That is the most important thing about these beautiful pothos plants. Are the node areas of the stem, so you can grow them back if you cut it from here and put it in water, or else you directly put it in soil. You will see another plant growing. So these plants with these beautiful node areas, you can grow them back. So this is also possible with a single leaf cutting. So I have done many videos about propagation, so I will put the links in the description. You can watch them with your time. So by that you will gather more information. Now you can see there are some yellow leaves here as well. With that you will have to remove them from the plant. Make sure to remove them because otherwise they are taking a lot of energy from the plant. So that is also important. Time to time you will have to do some little pruning, soft pruning of the pothos plants, and you can multiply the pothos plant by that. And also friends, there are many varieties of this plant. Golden pothos is one of the beautiful looking plants. It's a variegated leafy plant, fits into any planter. Now look at this. This is the planter. This is a ceramic one, and old one I have transformed it to a planter. So you can decor your home as well with pothos plants, and there are air purification plants as well. It's a neon pothos here, and as you can see I have put it in a normal plastic container. Now these plants, when talking about the soil mixture, you can put some garden soil along with some sand and also cocoa peat. These pothos plants love the moisture in the soil, so make sure to add some cocoa peat. And here are the stems of neon pothos, and along with that I have a bamboo plant here. These are all indoor plants. So friends, these are beautiful decorative house plants, very easy to grow, low maintenance, and make sure not to overwater these beautiful pothos plants because overwatering can damage the roots. And also as a fungicide you can use some turmeric on them, and time to time giving them fertilizer also is a must. Use some tea or coffee fertilizer in liquid form or powder form. So these beautiful house plants are very easy to grow. Even a beginner gardener can grow them very fast. In no time you will have many plants. You can gift them as well. So make sure to keep it in an area where they get the partial to medium sunlight, and also do not go to overwater. These things you will have to keep in mind when growing these beautiful house plants, pothos plants.